Today we have the last topic. Network protocol. Network protocol. And we are already discussing in the network devices and network topologies. And last we have the network protocols. And protocol. What is meant by protocol? Protocol is nothing but it is set of rules to follow the transmit the messages from the one sender to the receiver between the exchange of information between the network devices. We are called it as protocols, and protocol is exactly set of some rules. The set of rules, and these set of rules, these protocols are used to in digital communication. Digital communication, and this digital communication are used in the connect the network devices. Network devices, we are used to network devices, exchange the information between these network devices. Exchange information. The digital network, the protocols are set of rules which are used to connect the network devices with using of exchange the information between these network devices. And here the network devices, some protocols are having some protocols. In that first one we have the network protocol, that is TCP IP. This is one of the network protocol, and this is we are calling as also basic network protocol. Because of basic network protocol, why we are called as basic network protocol means here the TCP IP, it is established the connection between the sender and receiver are two network devices. When we are wants to network device establish the two networks with the definite protocol we are using TCP IP. And what is meant by TCP IP? TCP means transfer control protocol, which means when their network devices are connected, when they wants to send some messages or information between sender and receiver, the transfer protocol, this TCP transfer protocol controls the transformation of flow of messages or flow of information or flow of data. And the IP means internet protocol. We are already, I think we are here about internet protocol IP which are used in some movies also. IP address. This IP address, internet protocol address will be unique identification. Every individual system, every individual network which have the individual unique ID, that is IP address. IP address are unique to the every system. That's why we can find out which system can send the messages by this IP address. These are the TCP IP protocol. And next one we have the HTTP. Second one protocol, HTTP. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol. These protocols are used to identify or searching the URL. URL means here URL unique resource location, uniform resource location. By using this HTTP protocol, we are open as searching the web page. If you are observing any website we want to open, we type in the website before we are writing HTTP. These are the searching of unique resource location by web page. Okay, this is the HTTP protocol. And next one SMTP. SMTP. This SMTP protocol is nothing but simple mail transfer protocol. Simple mail transfer protocol. Simple mail transfer protocol. This simple mail transfer protocol is used to send the mails from sender to receiver. But here the one exactly when the SMTP protocol we are using to send the messages or mails to the receiver, the sender and as well as receiver can also be in online. Both are in online. If anyone are not in online, the SMTP protocol is failed. SMTP protocol is failed and the message also failed. And next one, POP. POP means Post Office Protocol. Post Office Protocol. The Post Office Protocol, POP protocol is also same like the SMTP, but here some small difference is when we are sending the mail, the receiver cannot be in online. The receiver may be in offline. It is also called the POP, but whereas compared to the SMTP, the protocol is the receiver can also be in the online. Without in online, the protocol of SMTP is message will failed. Whereas coming to POP, Post Office Protocol, if you want to send the message to the receiver, receivers may be in offline. If it is the message will be saved to server side. Message will be saved to server side. After the receiver can be online, the message of server should be transferred to the receiver. There is a small difference between the POP and SMTP. So next one we mainly use next protocol FTP, File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol. This protocol is used to transfer the files, transfer the data, transfer the messages. We are using the file transfer protocol, and there are another protocols also, which means IFAP and PPP and UDP, etc. We are having the network protocols. These are the network protocols we are using to exchange information between the network devices in the digital communication. Okay, and today we are all completing our first semester syllabus in network devices, and we will meet again. Thank you.